Hey there, it's Slide Pro here. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a resume in Canva. First of all, open up a resume template in Canva, go to Shapes and choose this diamond shape, decrease its size, move it towards the bottom of the resume, and now go to color, change its color. That's it. Now duplicate it. Move the duplicated diamond next to the first diamond, change its color slightly different from the first one, duplicate it as well, change the next color as well. Now the next thing you have to do is duplicate it one last time. So this is it, we've changed its color. So this now we have duplicated it and we're going to border and I'm gonna change its border to 3. Now I'm gonna make it transparent from color and from border color I'm gonna give it a dark purple color and move it right here. Now duplicate it and place it side by side. Now group them, select them and group them. Now paste them and move them right here. That's it. Now select all of these, group them and move them slightly towards the right side. Now enter our so this is the palette I have used. This is the color palette and I have given its link in the description below so you can use this in your resume as well. So let's continue. I'm gonna remove its color to transparent, give it a border color of dark purple that I have previously used. I'm gonna duplicate it in a specific pattern about 5 to 6 times and group it. And now I'm gonna enter another circle and I'm gonna move it towards the backwards and I'm gonna give it a transparency of 46. That's all you had to do. Now, moving on to the next step, we're gonna enter another circle and increase its size, and we're gonna adjust just like this. Now, enter a rectangle that have rounded corners and increase the size like this. Go to frames, enter a circle frame, adjust it like this. Now search for girl. So I'm gonna use this one image from selecting this and on from the upper option of this flip horizontal, I'm gonna flip it. Next step, what you have to do is choose a circle and increase its size slightly from the frame and give it border and make it transparent from inside color and give it a dark purple color of border. No, a light purple color. Yeah. You can choose this color from the palette I have given in the description below as I have mentioned before. Now the next step we have to do is search for sparkle and we're going to use this sparkle and duplicate it one more time and change its color to purple because it's not visible in white. That's it. The next step is that you have to insert your text, add a heading from text, which is going to be your name, change its color to purple, which is really light. So this didn't suit, so I'm gonna change its color again. That's it. Now I'm gonna add a subheading after adjusting the heading. There you go. I have added a subheading in which I'm going to write graphic designer, which is going to be the profession. So there you go. The next thing you have to do is add the body, which is going to be your introduction. Now change its color to white, decrease its size, align it into the middle, and write about me in another heading. Give it a font of aerospace bold And now go to elements, shapes, and give it another line, and change its border dense, and we're gonna change its color to white. Now add a heading of education. Select it, go to fonts, add a space bold, increase its size, and move it right into this rounded cornered rectangle. Change its color to white. There you go. We're gonna duplicate the line, and we're gonna decrease its border. Now add a subheading, and I'm gonna write in. I have chosen a random degree from any a random university. You're gonna write your actual education in here, and I'm also gonna add the year from which I had studied this specific thing from a specific university or college or school. That's it. Now change this color to white. I'm gonna move everything upwards to make up room for for contact. So I have chosen this random contact. I'm gonna change its color to white and align them into the middle perfectly. There you go. I'm gonna move them a little bit downwards and give some spacing between them. Add a heading of contact. Give it the same font of aerospace bold. Change its color to white. Add the same line under this contact. There you go. Next, what you have to do is you have to add and adjust these lines. Now I have chosen these random works and references and experiences, and I'm gonna choose the titles, the three of these titles: skills, experience, and references, and underline them. Now now add the lines that you have previously added under about me, education, and contact. Change the titles color into dark purple from the color palette, and change the body text into purple as well. So the last step we're gonna do is add a logo. This is a graphic design logo I have created myself. I'm gonna change this color to purple, and that's it. That's all for today. This is the final result. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video for more informative tutorials like these. You can download this resume from my description below as well. Again in another videos. Till then, bye.